Austria is a landlocked country located in Central Europe. The capital and largest city of Austria is Vienna. Austria is renowned for its impressive alpine landscape, including the Alps mountain range. Austrian cuisine is famous for dishes like schnitzel, goulash, and apfelstrudel. Austria is the birthplace of famous classical composers like Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Ludwig van Beethoven, and Johann Strauss II. The Austrian Empire was a powerful European empire that existed from 1804 to 1867. Austria is known for its stunning castles and palaces, including the Hofburg Imperial Palace in Vienna. The Austrian flag, featuring a white field and a red stripe, is one of the oldest national flags in the world. Austria is home to the world-famous Vienna Boys Choir, which has performed for over 500 years. The Austrian Alps are a popular destination for winter sports enthusiasts, with world-class ski resorts like Kitzbühel and Sollden. Austria is the only country in the world that has an official day of rest. Sundays and public holidays are mandatory days off. The Lipizzaner horses, known for their graceful dressage performances, are bred in Austria. Austria is a federal republic with a president as the head of state and a chancellor as the head of government. The Austrian city of Salzburg is the birthplace of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart and a popular tourist destination. Austria is known for its impressive Gothic, Baroque, and Rococo architecture, with many historic buildings and churches. The Danube River, one of Europe's major waterways, flows through Austria. Austria is home to the world-famous Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra, one of the finest classical music ensembles. The Austrian wine industry is renowned for its high-quality white wines, such as Gruner Veltliner and Riesling. Austria has a rich history of coffee culture, with the famous Viennese coffee houses being a hub of intellectual and cultural exchange. The Tyrolean region of Austria is known for its traditional folk music, costumes, and customs. Austria is home to the world's largest ice cave, the Eisriesenwald, located in the Tenernsberg mountain range. The Austrian city of Graz is the second largest city in the country and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Austria is known for its impressive alpine railways, including the Semmering Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Austrian city of Innsbruck, host of the 1964 and 1976 Winter Olympics, is a popular destination for winter sports enthusiasts. Austria is home to the Hallstatt salt mine, one of the oldest salt mines in the world, dating back to the 8th century BC. The Austrian Alps are a popular destination for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts, with numerous scenic trails and stunning landscapes. Austria is known for its production of high-quality crystal and glassware, with the Swarovski Crystal Company being a prominent example. The Austrian city of Linz is known for its historic old town and its annual Linz Castle Festival. Austria is home to the Grossglockner High Alpine Road, a scenic mountain pass that offers breathtaking views of the Austrian Alps. The Austrian city of Bregenz hosts the annual Bregenz Festival, a renowned summer music and theater festival. Austria is known for its thermal spas and wellness resorts, such as the Röner Bad Blumel, which features unique architecture by architect Friedensreich Hundertwasser. The Austrian city of Klagenfurt am Wörthersee is known for its picturesque lakeside setting and historic old town. Austria is home to the Hohe-Tauern National Park, one of the largest protected areas in the European Alps. The Austrian city of Graz is known for its vibrant cultural scene, including the annual Styrian Autumn Festival. Austria is a popular destination for classical music lovers, with the Salzburg Festival being one of the most prestigious classical music events in the world. The Austrian state of Vorarlberg is known for its unique architectural style, with many buildings featuring the traditional Bregenzerwald style. The Austrian government is a federal parliamentary republic. Austria has a high standard of living and is considered one of the wealthiest countries in the European Union. Austria is known for its delicious cuisine, including Wiener Schnitzel, Apfelstrudel, and Zahtertorte. Austria is a popular destination for tourists, attracting millions of visitors each year. The Austrian flag features 3 equal horizontal bands of red, top, white, middle, and red, bottom. Austria is a member of the European Union, having joined in 1995. The highest point in Austria is the Grossglockner, which stands at 12,461 feet, 3,798 meters, above sea level. 17 level. Austria is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the historic center of Vienna and the Hallstatt-Dockstein/Salzkammergut cultural landscape. Austria has a long history of neutrality, having been neutral since the end of World War II. Austrian Chancellor Sebastian Kurz is the youngest head of government in the European Union. The Austrian government provides universal healthcare coverage for its citizens. Austria is a world leader in renewable energy, with a significant portion of its electricity coming from hydropower. Austria has a thriving wine industry, producing some of the finest white wines in the world. The Austrian National Library in Vienna is one of the largest libraries in the world. Austria is home to numerous thermal spas and wellness resorts, attracting visitors from around the world. The Austrian city of Salzburg is famous for being the birthplace of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Austria has a strong tradition of craftsmanship, with products like Swarovski crystal and loden wool being highly sought after. The Austrian Alps are home to a diverse array of wildlife, including the iconic chamois and ibex. Austria is known for its well-developed public transportation system, with efficient train and bus networks. Austria is a popular destination for winter sports, with numerous ski resorts and world-class facilities for events like the Winter Olympics.